In nature's silence, we find the voice of the present. Think about it. How often do we pause to listen, to really hear the stillness of the trees or the rhythm of the waves? These moments in nature are like whispers reminding us to live right here, right now. We're often so focused on what's next, our goals, our to-do lists, that we forget to simply be. But nature doesn't rush. It unfolds on its own pace, showing us the beauty of balance and impermanence. So today, let's take a cue from the world around us. Breathe in the stillness. Hear the voice of now, of your now.